this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check or find out the speed of your RAM on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, it is pretty simple to know the speed of your RAM. Just go over to this taskbar here and then right click on it. Under this, choose this option called Task Manager and then click on it. Now you'll be able to see your task manager here, and we have quite a number of options such as process, performance, app history, and just the list is long. Now from this, go ahead and choose this option called performance, and under this choose memory. If you go down here under memory, you'll be able to see the RAM slots you have, and as well you'll be able to see the RAM speed of your RAM. And as you can see here, the speed of my RAM is 1600 megahertz. So that's how you determine the speed of your RAM on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.